Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna open more eggs with more stickers in there.
What's this?
Hello Kitty.
You love Hello Kitty or you don't like it?
I don't watch Hello Kitty, but my water bottle is Hello Kitty, so that means I like Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty.
What's that? More sticker?
What is this? What?
What's that? Some kind of toy to make sounds. New sticker?
Yes, sticker. But only one sticker. More candy with only purple and white. It's different than the My Little Pony. This is a sticker we only got. One Hello Kitty sticker.
Can I have it close?
The My Little Pony eggs was the worthest one. Worth it. Because I love stickers.
Yeah, I
And
know you
they
love
got
sticker.
me 2 pieces.
And your classmate Maya, I mean your schoolmate Maya also loves sticker, right?
She's not my class. She's
Schoolmate.
not my class.
Yeah, your
Yep.
schoolmate.
If she's in your school but she's not in your class, or he or she,
Your schoolmate.
or he or she is not from your class, you say a schoolmate. If he or she is from your class, you say classmate. So what is this?
And he or she living with you is a dogmate.
I think you count with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, maybe.
What do you do with this though?
I don't know.
Comment down below if you know what's this. Do you roll with it? Okay, so bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. We want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.